Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to set admin rights for a user on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you need to go to your start menu, and then here you have to look for computer management. Here it is. So what you're going to do next is tap on open. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then here you have to look for user. So basically here you must look for local users and groups. Double click this one and then tap on users here. So under here you can see this administrator. So I haven't added one. So as you can see, here are the users of this PC. So I have here guest, user, and this one. So as you can see, if I tap on the user right here, this user is member of administrators and performance log users, while the guest is just member of the guest. Now if I wanted this guest to be an admin to this PC, or let's just say an admin, or I will set admin rights for this user right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this member of, tap on add, tap on locations, desktop, okay, tap on advanced, tap on find now, click administrators, tap OK, tap OK, tap apply, tap OK. So as you can see, if I tap on guest right here, this guest is member of administrators guest. And basically that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.